Today, we're diving into a major shift in global manufacturing that could affect everything from your smartphone to your home appliances. For decades, China was the go-to hub for electronics, thanks to its cost-effective labor and massive infrastructure. But a silent war driven by US-China trade tensions, tariffs, and geopolitical issues is forcing companies to rethink their strategies. Rising trade conflicts, concerns over national security, especially with Taiwan tensions, and even bans on popular apps have made manufacturing in China increasingly risky. In fact, over 40% of Fortune 500 companies are now adopting a China Plus One strategy, setting up additional operations outside of China to diversify their supply chains and reduce risk. So, where are companies moving? Two countries are taking center stage, Vietnam and Mexico. Vietnam is quickly emerging as a manufacturing powerhouse. With lower labor costs, improved infrastructure, and government incentives, electronics manufacturing in Vietnam is booming. Samsung's recent $20 billion investment in a new factory there highlights the country's growing importance. Experts even predict that Vietnam's share of electronics production could increase by over 30% in the next 5 years. On the other hand, Mexico is becoming an attractive option for companies looking to stay close to the U.S. market. Tesla's Gigafactory Texas is a prime example. By sourcing components from neighboring Mexico, they're reducing shipping times and transportation costs. This strategic move not only cuts expenses, but also mitigates the risks of relying solely on Chinese production. Of course, shifting manufacturing bases isn't without its challenges. Relocating factories can add 10 to 20% to production costs, which might lead to a 5 to 15% increase in retail prices for consumers. Yet many companies see these additional costs as a necessary investment for stability and reduced geopolitical risk. This transition is also reshaping global supply chains. By diversifying production across multiple regions, companies can build more resilient supply networks, leading to fewer disruptions and more reliable product availability. This new model could even drive economic growth in emerging markets and create jobs in regions that were once overlooked. Looking ahead, we might soon see products proudly labeled, assembled in India, built in Vietnam, or crafted in Mexico. The era of the ubiquitous Made in China tag is rapidly fading, giving way to a more globalized and diversified approach to manufacturing. What do you think about this shift? Would you pay a bit more for the promise of greater stability and innovation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this deep dive insightful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.